Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be launching my EEK to CHIC series. This is where I take an item that I don't think is exactly the way I like it and revamp it a little bit. Let's get started. I found this tray at Dollar Tree, however, I didn't really like the shiny orange color. I'll be going for a more neutral look here. I chose a basic off-white that I already had in my stash of paints. Use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to wipe off the oils from the tray. Starting my first coat and making sure not to put it on too thick so that it dries properly. Here's my second coat. And here's my final coat of paint. I wanted to highlight the shape, so I decided to use some jute twine. I had 5mm width on hand, however 6mm is fine too. Working an inch at a time, I use my hot glue gun to glue the twine onto the edges of the tray. Press down as you go for a few seconds. The process of gluing the jute twine around the tray took me about 25 minutes. And here's the final. I'm so excited with the outcome, and it was so easy and all under $2. EEK to CHIC. Please let me know what you think with a comment below. And this is currently how I'm using my tray for the fall. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to making more videos like this in the future. Please like and share with your friends.